Hey, do you think your website loading slow? Need to speed up your website? Don't worry. We are introducing Next3 Offload. Make your WordPress blazing fast. Offloading your files to cloud. Choose your provider as you need. Set up your provider credentials. Explore our plugin features. Enable the option for copy WordPress media files to cloud. Enable the option for rewrite your existing media URLs. You can set up your options as your need. Now, offload your existing media files to cloud. Individual, offload your existing media files to cloud. You can use offload media files anywhere in WordPress, post, or pages.